Guess that's one way of looking at it. And how she got the ears? A little bit better. Good girl, Gigi.
I like the way she uses her ears.
Yeah, she's using them pretty good.
Good
Last
girl.
2 weeks, she's done good with her ears.
See, this is easy. She
Uh-huh.
likes this.
Good girl.
You know, toting a 200-pound man or pulling a buggy around, that's harder.
It looks like she'd be fun to drive. Are you excited about?
Yeah, eventually, I think she will be.
I like this little mild bit on her. I'd like to get her eventually where I can drive her and have her head set as good as this as I do the more severe one.
Yeah.
Good girl.
Pretty obedient, I tell you.
Yeah, she
Good
is.
girl.
She's very.
Good girl, Gigi.
To be that young, I think she's very well.
Good girl, Gigi.
I love that trot.
Yeah.